Good morning, guys. So schön to see you. It's coffee time on Dare Everywhere. Today, I'm going to show you the most amazing sweeties, the most delicious desserts I ever had in my life. I found these here on Cyprus in the supermarket. These are just my favorites, my all-time favorite sweeties. Furthermore, we will go to the beach and I will show you how we make stones jump over the water. Let's go. This is the Greek goddess of the fountains. Her name is Naftakak. Papandonio. Here we go, the Greek god of the sweets, the cake, and the desserts. I love you. Hello guys, welcome to the heaven, to the El Dorado of the sweeties. Okay guys, we're almost there. I would like to show you something. Beautiful flowers, beautiful flowers. Did you see that? Yes. Beautiful. Fantastic. Okay guys, I found a little Liegestuhl here at the beach, sun lounger. Yeah, as I promised, the best deserts in the world on a beautiful beach. Let's see what Papantonio has for us. Wow. Look at these two beauties. Like it has different layers. It's creamy, different kind of chocolates and crispy stuff on the top. And then here we have like, I don't know, also like all kind of different creams and cakes. And there's a filling, it's pudding, it's vanilla pudding. Okay, this is what I'm gonna eat right now with this beautiful spoon. I get back to you later. Can you see this? Wow. As I told you, it has different layers, different chocolates, different creams. It's amazing. You can dig in. And number 2. I'm gonna make you an offer you can't refuse. What else? Let's see. It's kind of, it's the kind of frozen ice cream. Wow. So good. So good. It's done. It's done. It's done. And I'm very happy about this. My belly's full with the sweetest and most delicious sweets ever. Now we're gonna make some stones jump. That's a good one. Whoa! So for maximum jumps, the stone should be round, flat, not so heavy, and not so light. So they're rare, not like this stone. It's not flat enough, not round enough. I tried anyway. Ow, shit. There are millions of stones and plenty of time to practice. But not now. For me, time for the second breakfast. I think I go back to Papandreou. And get more of these delicious stuff. I see you next time. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. This is Lars Lindborg. I love you. Bye.